Hey everyone, this is Awesome Wakabayashi from Zen Ideas. Today I want to address the common problem I usually get from my client, which is when they update a content like a newsletter or blog, whatever the content they update, and they can see the change on their admin. But when they use their phone or other computer or client's computer, they don't see any changes. Yeah, I can explain why that happens and how to fix that. Okay, so let's try this. So I have this image here. This is not the right image. I want to change that with replace with the right image. Okay, so I'm going to change that right now. Now I logged in as admin, right? All right, so this is the blog post and I got the wrong image. So I'm going to replace this image and I need to upload a file. I think I have that. So just drag and drop right image. Okay, so I'm going to use this image, right? Okay, so now I'm going to set this as a feature image. Actually, I'm going to use, make sure alt text here. All right, so let's go ahead and hit save. All right, let's go back to my home page here and refresh this page. All right, so let's scroll down here. Now this is changed. Now let's look at, so let's say this is a client website. So now this is a wrong image, right? And then now, as you can see, I'm using Chrome, and then I'm not logging to admin. So let's refresh this page. Now it doesn't change, right? Now this is about a caching issue. So nothing, this is nothing wrong with your website. So don't worry. So now let's go to a dashboard here. Now the caching is like a memory on the server, could be on the browser, and then make your website load faster. So your developer probably installed some caching plugin. Now in my case, let's go to plugin here. So there are a number of caching plugin you can find, but I use for this website, I use called Breeze. Okay, so this is just one of the caching plugin. Now, once you install that, you see on the top here, because Breeze, and you see like a purge all cache. So that means I kind of flash out all the caching. All right. So when this happened, if you have some caching plugin, and go to just flush or purge all cache, let's click this. Now let's go back to this website. Okay, so this is Chrome. So I think remember this one, right? So let's just click that. Now it changed, right? So I think that's all you have to do. Just one more thing. If you're using Breeze, I don't know other caching plugin though, but if you have Breeze here, now you find this varnish cache, okay? And then you see this option, so Alt Purge Varnish. So when you enable this and save, this is whenever you change content or update content or add content, it should automatically flush the cache or purge the cache. So you don't have to do that. Now let's go to option. And if you don't do that though, so you see the purge cache after. So this is 1440 minute. This is just 1 day. So on my website, usually it purge cache once a day. Yeah, but yeah, if you don't change immediately for on your phone or like your clients complain it's nothing that changed, then go here and then manually you purge cache. All right. So I hope this helps and I'll see you next time.